Hi, I'm Andrea with K18 Hair. I'm a professional stylist and educator. Today we're going to be doing a little science experiment with the Professional Molecular Repair Hair Mist. We'll be bleaching 2 tresses 5 times with 40 volume bleach, one with the mist and one without. We'll be looking at the 2 tresses to see the difference in damage. A healthy hair strand is going to be smooth to the touch, it's not going to break when pulled on, and it's going to have elasticity that bounces back. Damaged hair, on the other hand, is going to break when you pull it. It will stretch extensively and then break as well, and it'll also feel rough to the touch. We have 2 tresses here. One tress has nothing on it, and the other tress will have K18 PRO Mist. For this experiment, we're going to bleach the hair 5 times using PRO Mist before each round on the right tress. In our clinical testing, we found that 10 full sprays per quadrant, increasing up to 20 sprays as needed, fortifies hair pre-service, restoring up to 99% elasticity. This improves hair's resilience to prevent damage during and after services for stronger hair over time. After bleaching 3 times, you can really see a difference in the hair's quality. The untreated tress feels rougher and looks frizzier. We're starting to see breakage at the ends. The tress with the PRO Mist feels stronger and smoother with less breakage at the ends. We're gonna bleach the hair 2 more times and really put the PRO Mist to the test. The oxidizing agents in bleach degrade melanin while damaging hair's structural proteins. Breaking these crucial bonds weakens the hair fibers, decreasing hair strength and elasticity. The untreated tress feels extremely dry and crispy, and we see more breakage. You can see the hair starting to degrade from all those hair bonds breaking. The tress with the PRO Mist feels smoother and stronger with much less breakage at the ends. This is with no conditioning agents or emollients either, just truly healthy hair. That's because of the biomimetic K18 peptide. Powering the PRO Mist, this patented peptide works on the molecular level to reconnect peptide bonds broken by bleach, color, chemical services, and heat. You can totally see that the hair without the mist had been broken down. When I pulled it, it stretched fully and then broke off. So it doesn't have elasticity, it wasn't strong, it'd been totally degraded. The K18 Mist side, on the other hand, still feels pretty healthy. You can see that it still has a bit of shine to it, has elasticity. If you look at the ends of the 2 swatches, you can notice a huge difference. By using the K18 PRO Mist in salon, you have a lot more opportunity for freedom of expression so that your client can get the hair that they want and you don't have to worry about the integrity of the hair behind the chair.